Hi, Ever. Hi, Candace and Sin. This is Mr. New Rooster here. Yeah, these are the chickies in the yard. They like corn chips. Here, you want one? Can you come get one for me? Come on, come get one for me. Come on, Mr. Rooster. Yeah, my little Ever wants to see you take this from my hand. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yeah, you're a handsome man. Come on. Yeah, you know you want it. You know you want it. Come on. He's afraid of the telephone. Isn't he handsome? Come here, take it. Come on, take it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. How about if I throw it? Throw it? How about if I break it and throw it? Whoa. Yeah, here. There you go. There you go. Come on, take it. And there's your other chickens. Good morning. Say hi, Ever. We're saying hi from Kansas. Yeah. Come on, take it. Take it. You can do it. Say bye-bye. Oh, this guy's gonna get it. This guy's gonna get it. Yeah. We'll see you later. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Kisses.